So if your goal is to become an affiliate for the TikTok shop and start making money online with the TikTok shop, then this is the video for you. This is the ultimate guide to the TikTok shop for affiliates. And this will be a complete step-by-step A to Z walkthrough. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So what we're going to cover is how to create a TikTok shop affiliate account, even if you have 0 followers, how to find viral products, winning product criteria, how to create videos that sell, and most important, how to avoid violations. So let's talk about what is the TikTok shop. The TikTok shop is a feature inside of TikTok that allows users to purchase products directly on the TikTok platform. And within the TikTok shop affiliate program, you can become an affiliate and promote any products that's being sold on the TikTok shop and get paid each time a person makes a purchase from your video. So let me show you. So when you're scrolling on TikTok and you see a video that has a product linked on the bottom, for example, this one, when you click on it, it'll take you to the product page. What happens is if I click on the buy now and I end up buying this item, this creator will get credit for the sale and they will receive a commission. You won't need to ship the product. You won't need to deal with any customer service. Your only job is to create the content and link the product to your video. And if people who watch your video end up purchasing, you get the credit. So there are multiple ways to earn on TikTok. The first way is through their creativity program. This is where you get paid based on views on your TikTok videos. And the requirement to join this program is you have to have at least 10,000 followers and have 100,000 monthly views. Now, the second way to get paid is to sell on the TikTok shop. This is where you have your own products that you are selling, kind of similar to an Amazon store. You'll be responsible for fulfilling the order and providing the customer service. Now, the third way, which is what this entire video is about, is the TikTok shop affiliate. You simply show off the products, and if people buy, you make money. So how do you create a TikTok shop affiliate account? Well, there are 2 methods. First method, which is the easiest method, is if you have 5,000 followers, then you can easily create a TikTok shop account. The second method is if you have less than 5,000 followers, then there's a little process that you have to go through. So here's the first method if you already have 5,000 followers. Just follow these steps. Go inside the creator tools, go inside TikTok shop for creators, click apply now and verify your information. With method number 2, this is if you have less than 5,000 followers. This process also works with 0 followers. Let me show you. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is we're going to come over to Google and you're going to type in TikTok shop sign up. And then you're going to click on this first link right here. Once we've reached the sign up page, you're going to want to go ahead and enter your email to sign up. Once you've done that, you're going to enter a verification code that they would have sent to you in your email. And then you're going to want to go ahead and set your password after you've entered that verification code. Then you're going to want to go ahead and select your business type. If you have an LLC or a corporation, then you want to select which one makes sense to your business. But if you don't have any of that, then just go ahead and stick with individual. And then you're going to want to go ahead and verify your identification. So you're going to want to upload your passport or your driver's license. After you upload your ID, you need to make sure that the following information is exactly as it appears on your uploaded ID. That includes your legal name, your driver's license number or your ID number, your date of birth, the expiration date, and also your residential address. So you want to make sure that all of this information matches your ID. And on the bottom here, you'll need to fill out your social security number or your tax ID number. You just need to click next. For the primary product, you'll just need to select the category that describes the products that you're selling. This doesn't really matter since we're not looking to sell physical products. We're just looking to become an affiliate for other people's products. And next is to enter your phone number, which is for verification purposes only. Just enter your phone number you have access to because they will actually send you a code that you'll need to verify. And after you're done, just click submit. Okay, so we just submitted the information and it's under review. They'll notify us by email once the review is complete. All right, so I was approved. In a few minutes, you'll get an email like this saying, congratulations, your TikTok shop has been approved. And let's go back to the TikTok shop. So the next step is to add your tax information here. It's not urgent, but you still want to get it done as soon as you can. When you scroll down, you'll see an option to set up shipping. That's not something I'd worry about because we're not shipping anything to anyone. What we want to do though is to connect our TikTok shop account to our regular TikTok account. So to do that, just come to the shop icon right here, and on the top right, click this and go to my account and go to linked accounts. Here's where you can link the shop account to our regular TikTok account. And on this page, click on link official account. You'll see this QR code here. And next you'll use your phone and go to the TikTok account that you want to link to your TikTok shop. So here's mine. Okay, so I encountered this error. This TikTok account has not completed the identity verification. All right, so we found the issue. So click here to complete the ID verification. So let's click this. And this is where we need to enter everything again and submit it. Okay, so after I submitted that, it says successful. Let's go back to the profile and try this step one more time. So we'll go back to TikTok shop, come to this icon, my account, linked account, link official account, and we see this QR code again. So on the phone, I'll just tap these 3 lines, go to my QR code, and go to the scan button. And we'll scan this code, and we'll click on authorize. And we'll see this screen again. Check this box, and click on this account. And there we go. It says congratulations. So let's talk about how to find viral products. There are 3 ways to find winning products. First is going to be through your FYP or your For You page. Watch this video. As you can see, there's a creator right here who is advertising a neck phone holder. All we have to do is go ahead and click on it, and you can see the option to buy now, but it'll also show you how to become an affiliate of this, and it'll tell you how much commission that you earn from this product. Next is the product marketplace. As you can see, there are a bunch of products that you can actually promote inside of the product marketplace itself. And you can access this right through your TikTok app. And the third and final way is through Kalodata, which is a data analysis platform for TikTok. This is currently the best research tool for TikTok shop on the market right now. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how this thing works. All right, so this is Kalodata right here. So this is a website that you want to use if you are serious about making money with the TikTok shop as an affiliate marketer. So as you can see right here on the screen, it has the competitors list, affiliate creators, trending products, hot videos, and it highlights all the top products for the week. These are the products right now that are selling like crazy and that creators are making a lot of money promoting. And if you scroll down here, you can see the top creators and the top shops right here. And it also will show you the top videos as well and live streams. So this will give you an idea of the type of products that are currently doing very well. So if you're going to use Kalodata, you definitely want to take a look at all of the data that this website has for specific products and creators so that you can use it to make your own content as well for your products that you're going to promote. So let's go ahead and take a look at this creator right here. All right, so this creator right here, if we take a look at the core metrics, they've made or have done over $472,000 in revenue, which is averaging out to about $67,000 per day. Now, this isn't what they are making. What you can actually do is take a look at some of the products that they're promoting. They're making pretty good money right here. So let's take a look over here at this video section for this creator. So you can see the video and you can see the product that they're promoting right here, this Nice Day Steppers. So this right here has garnered them most of their money right here. So I don't know how much this this creator makes as far as with affiliate commissions, but you can definitely take a look inside the TikTok shop store and see how much this product is paying out in commissions. So on average, she's probably making between 10 and 15% per sale. And if she's done over $456,000 in sales, that is a lot of money. She's probably made anywhere between $40,000 and $50,000 just from this product alone. So let's take a look at this video. All right, so I had to mute this clip because of the music playing in the background. I didn't want to get a copyright strike. But this creator is just demonstrating herself on this machine, and it's just text on screen, and that's all this is. This is her most popular video, which is crazy. So all you need to do is really just, you can emulate this video if you happen to be promoting the same product as well. All right, so she's talking in this video right here. In actuality, you can go ahead and take a look at the script. So if we click on that, and it exports the script, so you can see exactly what it is that she's talking about, how she's talking about this product, and you can model exactly what she is saying as well. And if you want AI to optimize this script for you, you can definitely do that. They can make the script more passionate, they can make the script shorter, or they can emphasize the selling points. So there is so much that you can actually do with this website itself. So this is definitely something for those that are very serious about, taking their TikTok shop affiliate business to the next level right here, because this will give you all the data that you need. So let's talk about winning product criteria. This is a list of things that you kind of want to keep in mind when choosing a product that you're going to promote. So first, you want to know, does the product solve a problem? Second, does the product create emotions or curiosity? Because these are strong feelings that people make impulse buy purchases on. Do people relate to the experience / the product? So is the product relatable to the person? Is it part of their everyday routine? Things like that. Would people want to share the video? So is your video have a viral aspect to it? Does it make people want to just share it around? Now, is the product a impulse buy? This is kind of tied to the second one. We all know those products where the moment you see it, it's like you gotta have it right now. So does it give you that feeling to impulse buy? And 6, does the product have proven sales? These are things that you can actually look at when it comes to each product. You can actually look at the product inside the shop, and it'll tell you how much of that product has sold. And typically anything with 25,000 in total sales or more, this means people are buying it. This means it's popular. This means you want to go ahead and get your hands on one of these as well, so that you can go ahead and create content around it. Also, high sales equals proven. So if a product has been selling and it has 25,000 or more sales, this is a proven product right here. There's no guesswork around this. But this can also mean a lot of people are promoting it, so competition might be higher. So let's talk about some bonuses right here. So can the product be gifted to someone? Meaning, is this product something typical that you would give out to someone for a special occasion or something like that? Also, you want to check to see if it has a low price and has high commission, because those are great products. If you can spend a little bit on it, but it has a high commission, it's probably worth promoting. So let's talk about how to get a free product. If you have over 10,000 followers, you can request free samples. Now, if you don't, you can find the product and then contact the seller and ask for free products. Some sellers will agree to it if you can show them examples of your review videos. So sometimes you can actually get free samples, but it's not always. You're going to have to show the seller the type of work that you do for them to consider giving you free products. So let's talk about, how do you get these products fast? This is kind of a little hack or a tip. If you want the product faster, you can search the brand's name and the product on Amazon, so you can get it a lot sooner. So if you happen to have like Amazon Prime or something like that, a lot of the time you'll see that the products that are being sold on TikTok are also sold on Amazon as well. The caveat to that is it's typically more expensive on Amazon. But if you want to get it a lot quicker, usually within like 2 days, versus the TikTok shop, which takes about a week to a week and a half for you to receive a product when you buy it, then you can do that. But be sure to buy things you would normally buy and review them. Don't go crazy on and buying random products that you'll never use. Start off with a few. Once you start to earn some money, then you can invest in other products as well because it'll make more sense. So just buy things that you'll normally buy and just review those. So let's talk about videos that sell. This is a formula or a format that you want to take when you're creating your videos. So every successful video has a hook, a body, and a call to action, which is a CTA. And so the purpose of the hook is to capture the viewer's attention and keep them watching. So a good example of a hook is, if you're always on the road, you're going to love this. And then you have the body of the video, which is you reviewing and talking about the product. This is where you just want to give an honest opinion about the product itself, about your thoughts on it, how it works, the functionality, all of that good stuff. And then the call to action, this is where you want to push for the sale or create urgency. So an example of that is, I'm going to link the product down below, but hurry, these sell out quick. So screenshot this right here so you can use this as a framework for all of your videos that you create. Hook, body, and call to action. Next, you want to choose your style of content. There are two different styles that work just fine. Some people show their face in their videos, and then some do faceless videos, but both work just fine. And I'm going to show you two examples right now. So here's a creator on TikTok called Ari's Fave Finds. This creator reviews different products that you'll find in the TikTok shop, and he actually shows his face in his videos. He shows himself demonstrating the product and all of that good stuff. So this is a prime example of somebody that shows themselves in the videos while promoting the products. So here's an example of a faceless account. This person right here creates review videos inside the TikTok shop without showing their face. All they do is show the product. And a lot of these videos are point of view type of videos. And this specific content creator has some very high quality edits, but trust me, those aren't needed. Honestly, the more basic the video, the better that they'll perform, honestly, in my opinion. But you can definitely make videos without showing your face if you're afraid to show your face. You'll find success either way. There's no wrong way to do this. So let's talk about how to avoid violations. Now, these are the three top things that you want to avoid. All right. And TikTok does not play around when it comes to these violations. They will slap your account or they'll straight out ban it, even if you do it one time. So avoid doing these at all costs. All right. No screen recording content. You cannot screen record existing content. Your content has to be original. It has to be filmed through your camera. Second, don't steal someone else's content. So it's pretty obvious. You cannot take somebody else's content, download it, and upload it as yours. TikTok's AI will flag that immediately. So don't do that. And third, do not repost any videos, period. Do not repost any of the videos that you have created. So if you've created a review video for, a product, create that video, post it, delete the video off your camera reel, because it's now useless after you've posted it. You have to continue to make fresh content every time you are promoting a product. So you cannot reuse any old videos or repurpose any old videos. Don't even chop up old videos and try to create them into one. Go into recording your content as if you're doing a one and done, and that's it. Because TikTok is not the one to play around with. They will ban your account, and it will suck if you have money that is stacked up in your account and it gets banned, because who knows if you'll be able to access that. So that is the ultimate guide to the TikTok shop affiliate. Listen, keep searching for top products, always test, and never stop posting.